Strength to train. Fitness is for everyone. Okay, from here we're going to stretch up our arms, stretch our shoulders, and then hands will go down nice and slowly, and then all you're going to do is lock your wrists and open the chest, and your chin will go up like so, and release the tension out of your shoulders and your chest. One more time, up. So you're going to stretch up, and then from here I'll turn around so you can see what I mean, and then you're going to go nice and slowly down, elbow tucks in, chest and chin up, and hold it there. Side on. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our videos and follow us on Instagram.